Okay, so in this tutorial we're going to look at using multiple images to create a design in Ruby. So I'm going to start off with this existing design and add an image to it. So if you're wondering how did I get to this point, you're going to need to watch the video before this one titled Ruby Single Image Design. So now let's say I want to incorporate multiple images. I'm just going to get something like this as an example. Copy image, bring it in, Control V, and resize it. I could go over and be specific, but I'll just resize it. And maybe I'll put it up somewhere like that. And first thing I want to do is, sorry, just grab my sun again, get it inside. And I'm going to remove the background. So we'll do that. All right, and then I'm happy with the position of it. Now I just need these cut lines to end up going around the sun and join up with my surfer. So I'm going to click on my sun image, and I'm going to go to my image trace tool. And again, I'm going to tick the outer contours and trace. Okay, so now I've got the cut lines around that as well. And now I need to somehow blend or merge these two together. So again, I'm going to go with my draw path tool. And in order to do this, what we need to do is essentially draw a bit of a circuit, starting at one position and going right the way back and ending up in that position. So it sort of depends where I want my acrylic to go. So in this case, maybe I want it to join up to my sun there, okay? And then maybe I'll get it to come from there down to there. All right, so I'll zoom in and I'll just start somewhere in here. Click out to just inside here. And I'm just going to stay within the black of my sun here and work my way around. All right, so I'm getting close to where I said I want to come out. I'm going to do my last one just inside there. And then down to the surfboard just inside that. And back to that one there. And then right click on that black node and close that. So I've kind of created this circuit. And again, I'm going to use my tool. So I'll select everything and blend union this one. All right, so if we look at what that's done, perfect. I have no cut lines in here. So it's going to cut out and around my shape, and I've managed to use two images to create the one design. So, yeah, you can imagine you can get quite creative, bring in as many images as you want, and maybe if you're working from a concept that you've created, a concept sketch, then you could design your project. The next tutorial, we're going to look at a more complex image, and that is maybe something like this Manchester United image and just a few of the things you can do with that.